Namaskar, this is Rasraj and you are most welcome on Auro's News powered by Rasraj Arts and Calligraphy. Today, 3rd October, Tuesday, a special study circle will be held to observe the centenary birthday of Professor Chittaranjan, popularly known as Chittabhai, the literary genius and mother's worthy child. The place is Mini Auditorium, Sri Aurobindo Yoga Mandir, Sector 5, Rourkela, from 6 to 7 o'clock in the evening. In the study circle, an introductory address will be given by Sri Bharat Bhushan Mohanty. There will be a short talk on Chittabhai, the spiritual warrior, by Dr. Kishori Das. Another talk will be given by Sri Suresh Chandra Nayak on Chittabhai, the doyen of literature. At the end, a concluding remark will be by the President, Dr. Jyotsna Patnaik, followed by a gratitude by Sri Chittaranjan Mandir. The entire program will be coordinated by Dr. Prashant Kumar Patra. Those who are residing nearby are requested to be a part of this program. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Namaskar.